Hey guys, so we are here at Camp Manidokan, and today we are going to be doing some canoeing on the Potomac River. So it should be a pretty fun day. Let's get to it.
Hey there, my name's Ben, and welcome to my journey. Whether I'm hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, fishing, camping, backpacking, sailing, or overall traveling, it'll be an adventure. Subscribe for a new adventure every day as I explore our planet using my sense of adventure as my compass.
You're good. Yeah, she's making the whole boat. She's very stable.
What?
Very stable.
Ben.
Aren't as strong because
And we are almost back here,